Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to have a quick look at this short back set protector mortise lock. This is what we call a European mortise lock. Part number LA0204, another part number 126/726-30. That's the back set, minus SSF. Made by LDH Protector Series. So it comes in a box like this. You have your striker plate, you have your cylinder escutcheons. It does not come with a cylinder or any handles. This is the type of cylinder you need, one with a fixed cam. So when you rotate this middle part, it doesn't move. That's the type of cylinder you need for this. It comes with, looks like 5 screws, which is very interesting. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but looks like we only get 5, unless there's more in here. No, there's not. So this is the lock itself. That's looking at the front. Let me give you some measurements. From top to bottom, I'm looking at 240. Across the body, I'm looking at, I have to double check that, that's 22. The back set on this lock is 30mm, which means to the center of the spindle hole is 30mm. The actual full body length you'll be looking at is about 45, maybe 46 to give an extra mil. So with this type of lock here, when you turn the key one way, you will actually pull back this top latch. When you turn it the other way, you actually get the bolt popping out. Is that right? Yes. Yeah, so you turn it this way, the top latch will go back. Turn it the opposite way, once, twice. Most of the time it's a double throw. I'm not sure if this is a double throw or not, but that's generally how they work. European mortise locks not very common in Australia. We do have a variety of these type of locks we can order. Each one of them is different in size, different. The general height's about the same, the width is about the same, but it's the back set and a few other things which make them different. So hopefully as they come in, we'll get the chance and we'll videotape them. At least that way you can compare them against what you have, and hopefully find one close enough and replace it. So most likely what will happen here is you can use these little escutcheons and use a set of handles, or what you would do is you would have like a big plate type handle where one screw goes through here, one screw goes through here, the cylinder comes out and it covers up that. So the bolt is reversible as well. There's a little flat blade screwdriver on the back there. You can loosen that off, it'll pop out, rotate it round, put it back in, tighten it back up. That's looking at the mechanism on the inside. And it does come with your cylinder screw already in the plastic there. Okay, so that is the LA0204, or the other part number from Protector is 126/726-30 SSF. Okay, thanks for watching.